Hi, it's Amanda, and I'm feeling some tropical vibes today. And 2020 has been a crazy year, so we could all use a little something to ease the pain. And this drink is called the Painkiller. It was created at a bar called the Soggy Dollar Bar in the British Virgin Islands in the 70s. So it's relatively new, but extremely popular. Some dark rum. I'm making 2 drinks, so I'm gonna double up on the rum. Some pineapple juice, orange juice, and this to me is like a lighter version of a pina colada. We're only gonna put in about 2 ounces of cream of coconut, and I am actually using cream of coconut that is not sweetened. But if you wanna use the sweetened kind, you can just feel like there's plenty of sugar in here. That's it. I have my 2 hurricane glasses with some ice in it already, and we're gonna shake, and we're gonna be on vacation, and we're gonna ease the pain. Oh yeah, look at that. I can see this at the swim up bar for sure, or just at your happy hour while you're Zooming. Got some really fun garnishes here to make us feel like we are away. Cheers. Here's to easing the pain. I got my drink. I'm out of here.